As a leader, you are a communicator. And there are moments and times where you're going to have to stand up in front of people and communicate. And public speaking is not very comfortable for many people, but it doesn't have to be insanely uncomfortable. That's why Speak With People's created this guide called the Public Speaking Pathway. It's a step-by-step process to help you become a more effective, empathetic, captivating communicator. Let me just go through the steps with you. Step 1, assess and prioritize your health. Step 2, figure out if you present with people or at them. Step 3, deeply care for your audience. Step 4, study and prepare. Step 5, embrace clarity. Step 6, tell stories that matter. Step 7, partner with laughter. And step 8, craft the entire experience. When you follow these steps, step by step, you really will have a framework and a structure to become a clear and compelling and confident speaker. Go to speakwithpeople.com/pathway, download the free ebook today, and start your journey to become a more effective communicator.